uMkabinde uveze ukuthi inombolo kasomabhizinisi uBrown Mokgotsi wayithola kungqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu khathi ehlela umhlangano nabaholi bomphakathi waseStilfontein eNorth West ukuyodingida ngodaba lozamazama ababeqhinqa emgodini ngonyaka odlule.
The minister wanted for me to arrange a meeting. He was planning to go and visit Stilfontein. Then he suggested that he needs to have an engagement with some local leaders to get an understanding before he goes there. So he then gave me the number of Mr. Mokgotsi. I believe he's from Northwest, for him to assist and get other leaders to come and brief him about the situation.
uMkabinde uthi uyakholwa ukuthi lo mhlangano wawumayelana nodaba lozamazama eStilfontein ngoba emva kwawo akaphindanga wezwa ngoMokgotsi.
So when Mr. Mokgotsi states that he would have made a call from the minister's office to Mr. Matlala, either he's mistaken or he's not telling the truth.
When is he saying?
If he says that he made a call from the minister's office to Mr. Matlala, Mr. Kat Matlala, from the minister's office, then you wouldn't have been aware of that.
Yes, that has never happened in my presence. Yes.
Not in your presence.
Yes.
uMkabinde ukuphikile ukuthi isikhalo esafaka ophikweni oluphenya izenzo zamaphoyisa iPid kwakuhloswe ngaso kuninda ithimba lePKTT.
It's about a correctional service senior officer who was allegedly found with drugs, and General Mkhwanazi apparently, and it's allegedly that he stopped those police from arresting that senior officer. So here it's a defeating ends of justice case opened against General Mkhwanazi. So I don't understand where does PKTT feature here.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.